So symphysis pubis joint. It is a cartilaginous joint. It is a cartilaginous joint present between the two pubis parts. Suppose this is, if we divide like this is the right side, this is left side. So right and left side. So here is our hip bone. This is also our hip bone. So here, as we know, parts of the hip bone: ilium, pubis, and ischium. So here this is ilium. This is here posteriorly we can see ischium. So this is our pubis. So it is a joint which is going to present between two pubis bones. This is one pubis. This is one pubis bone. So this is a cartilaginous joint. It is going to form between the two pubis bones of the hip. Two pubis bones of the both hip bones. So here the ends of the pubics is going to covered by a thin layer, covered by a layer. That layer is nothing but articular cartilage. So the ends of the pubis are covered by a articular cartilage. So here the articular cartilage is nothing but it's a hyaline cartilage covered here. Okay, and one more special point, the disc. Okay, one disc will be there. The disc has a thin. So here between these two pubis, one disc will be there. This disc is nothing but we can say like fibrocartilaginous disc. So the disc will be present between these two pubis bones. So the disc itself, it is having thin central cleft. The disc will be having thin central cleft. Okay, so this is about the pubic symphysis. Otherwise, symphysis pubis, it is a cartilaginous joint. It is going to form between the two pubic bones. Between these two pubic bones will be having fibrocartilaginous disc will be there. So at the ends of the pubis will be having hyaline cartilage covering. Okay. So if we come to the ligaments, so ligaments of the pubic symphysis joint, here will be having superior pubic ligament, and then inferior pubic ligament, and then posterior pubic ligament. So these are the ligaments. Superior pubic ligament is going to present here. Superior pubic ligament will be here, superior to the pubic symphysis. Inferior pubic ligament will be here, and posterior pubic ligament will be present over the posterior surface of this joint. So this is about the ligaments of this pubic symphysis joint. In this ligaments, the special point, see here, the pubic symphysis is going to give protection to the pubic symphysis joint superiorly. Here inferior also giving stability to the superiorly, posteriorly it will give stability to the posteriorly. Okay, it's clear. And here one special point, the superior pubic ligament is reinforced by the two muscles. That muscles names, especially here we have to see about that muscles names are transverse abdominis, and one more rectus abdominis. So these two muscles are the superior pubis ligament is reinforced by the transverse abdominis and rectus abdominis. These two are major muscles. Other than this, here other muscles will be there. Those are internal oblique aponeurosis and external oblique aponeurosis. Muscles will be there. So the aponeurosis expansions of these anterior abdominal wall muscles, aponeurosis will give assistance to the superior pubic ligament. So because of these muscles and this ligament, here pubic symphysis joint will be getting stability. So this is about the pubic symphysis articulation. Clear?